A little while ago, I made a video about using your GoPro as a dash cam, and it was kind of popular, but that was with the GoPro Hero 9. Things are slightly different with the Hero 11 and the Hero 12. And in this video, I'm going to show you quickly and easily how you can set up these awesome cameras as a dash cam in your car. So from the rear video screen, you want to tap on this oblong down the bottom. Well, I've currently got cinematic, so I'll tap on that one. That's going to bring up all your video presets. And if we scoot to the top, you'll see up here next to my pointer finger, there's this strange looking icon. You're going to tap on that one, like so. Now it's going to bring up this screen here where it says manage. So you want to tap on the plus symbol that's just appeared. And that's going to bring up this new preset menu. Gives you two options where you can create a new video preset, but we're interested in looping. So we're going to slide up to looping. When we're happy with that, we're going to press on the tick button or the check button. And now it's going to bring you up to your new preset screen. And here's where you're going to make your selection. So we've got the mode set as looping with the resolution. We have got a couple of different options here. We've either got 1080 or 4K. And you've got some video options. Your resolution is either 4K, 4K at 25 frames per second, or you can have 1080 at 50 and 100 frames per second. Now you're going to put in all, choose your different options. You can choose your lens here, you can choose your interval. You've got options from 5 minutes up to maximum. Keep it at 5. Hyper smooth's an option as well. And you have timer and zoom there as well. When you're happy with these details, you hit the tick button, and it's going to bring you back to your new preset screen. And now you're going to choose which one of these you want to class as your GoPro dash cam setting or your GoPro looping setting. So we're going to choose motor, and then we're going to hit the check mark, and now she's all good to go. Mine says motor 1 because I've already got another motor preset there in my camera. So what that means is when you use your GoPro as a dash cam, all you need to do is choose that preset and you're good to go. Okay, so what we've done is we've actually got the GoPro Hero 11 and we've attached it to this GoPro mount, which is a suction cup mount. It's fantastic. I totally recommend it, and I love it if you're going to use GoPro as a dash cam. It's probably a really good purchase to make. So I've got it here attached to the windshield. The GoPro, as you can see, is upside down, but that's okay because with the, when I turn it on, like so, when I turn it on, it's going to have the footage come up the right way, which is great. There we go, great. Okay, so the GoPro's turned on. Now, all we need to do now is give a bit of a test run on the road, and we're going to show you how the footage looks when you use your GoPro Hero 11 Black as a dash cam. I hope you're enjoying this video on using your Hero 11 and your Hero 12 as a dash cam. If you could do me a favor right now and hit the like and the subscribe buttons, I would be eternally grateful. Just doing these small couple of things really helps the growth of my little channel, and it helps me keep making videos like this one here for you. Thank you for listening today. Let's get back to the video. All right, so this time we're still filming with the Hero 11, but this time we're going to change the settings. We're going to change the resolution and we're going to change the frame rate. Normally I would sort of recommend shooting at 1080p. That's normally pretty good. That's full HD. That's actually pretty good. But if you do want to shoot at 4K, which does take up more space on your SD card, that's a simple thing to do as well. So we're going to go back into the menu. So we tapped on the oblong, and now we're back in the video options menu. I'm just going to tap on this pencil here, which is right next to the motor option. And I'm going to tap on resolution and frame rate. This time I'm going to switch it to 4K. Now with 4K, we only have one option, which is 25 frames per second, which is still pretty good. I'm using an anti-flicker rate right now of 50 megahertz, which is what we use here in Australia for TV broadcasting. And if you're in an area of the world where you use the PAL system, 50 is normally what is recommended. But if you live in North America, you'll choose 60 frames per second, you'll choose 60 megahertz for anti-flicker. And that makes it, in that case, you would have a 30 frames per second as this option. Okay, enough said. Let's get on the road right now and check out the GoPro Hero 11 Black at 4K at 25 frames per second.
So from the home screen, what you want to do is you want to tap on this oblong down here on the back. Now, if we scroll to the very bottom, you'll see how we have an option which says, where it says create new preset. Plus, we're going to tap on that one today. And now it's going to give you two options, video and looping. So when you're filming, when you're using your GoPro as a dash cam, you want to choose the looping option. So we're going to tap on that one or slide it to choose that one. And then we're going to hit the tick up here in the top right hand corner. Okay, so once you tap on the looping button and the tick, you're going to come into this new preset screen, and here's where you have your options. So a couple of things are built in, you can't change them. Like you can't change the profile, it's got to be standard. The aspect ratio is going to be 16:9, but you do have a couple of options when it comes to resolution. 1080 is probably best for saving space. It does a good job. That's full HD, but you can choose 4K if you wish. Your frame rate as well can be adjusted, and you can change the lens, and you can turn Hyper Smooth on or off, or choose the auto boost function. And there's a couple of other options that are available to you as well. If you want to, you can put a timer on. I don't know why you'd use that, but it's there. And interval is where you can actually change the looping interval with your GoPro. So this is going to be how long your GoPro is going to be recording before it loops back to record over the start of your video.
So this time we're going to use the GoPro Hero 12 Black as a dash cam. So first of all, we'll just switch it on, good idea. And we're just going to show you how it looks using the settings that we've shown you earlier on in this video. So I'll just go over them one more time. So we've got 1080p for our frame rate. We've got 1080p for our resolution. We've got a frame rate of 50 frames per second, and we're shooting with a wide angle lens. Okay, all we have to do now is turn on the ignition and go for a bit of a drive. Setting up your Hero 11 or your Hero 12 as a dash cam is super easy. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments section. Always happy to answer any comments that you may have or any questions you have. So I want you to get the most out of these awesome little cameras. To learn more about GoPros, action cameras, mounts, accessories, that kind of jazz, you want to click on this video over here next. Thank you for taking the time to check out this video, and I'll see you in the next one.